Sierra Victor, follow the Cherokee Airborne, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Bravo Sierra Victor. 8 feet off the brakes, full power. On the centre line, airspeed's alive, oil temperatures and pressures are in the green, 50, 60.
Victor Delta Romeo, clear to land.
Clear to land, Victor Delta Romeo.
$400. 500. 1,000.
Kilo Oscar Charlie, clear touching
Nose,
go.
comes up.
Kilo Oscar Charlie.
Tremor.
Lima X-ray Hotel, downwind for touch and go.
Lima X-ray Hotel, follow the Cherokee light downwind.
Lima X-ray Hotel.
Bravo Sierra Victor, turning downwind, touch and go.
Bravo Sierra Victor, follow the Cherokee ahead.
Traffic sighted, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Oscar X-ray Papa, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Oscar Crew Papa.
$675. $65.
Lima X-ray Echo, turning downwind, touch and go.
Lima X-ray Echo, follow the twin light downwind.
Lima X-ray Echo.
Bravo Sierra Victor, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Bravo Sierra Victor. 65. Piano keys.
Robin Tower, Tango Victor, Quebec, ready.
Flaps up, full power.
Tango Victor, back, hold position.
Hold position, Tango Victor, Quebec.
Final stage.
Lima X-ray Echo, turning downwind, touch and go.
Lima X-ray Echo, follow Seminole light downwind.
Lima X-ray Echo.
Bravo Sierra Victor, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Bravo Sierra Victor. I'll be departing overhead for the city after this.
Understood, thank you.
Power off. Full power.
Sorry, Bravo Sierra Victor, Tower.
Say again, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, there's ILS traffic shortly, so I'll have to make an abbreviated city orbit 2,500 if you wish, or you can wait, advice.
I'll take an abbreviated city orbit and stay in close, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, clear to right city orbit at 2,500.
Clear right city orbit 2,500, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, monitor the frequency closely. I expect that I'll have to get you to complete the orbit remaining south of the city block, and then back to Albert Park Lake.
Understood, Bravo Sierra Victor. Bravo Sierra Victor, I'm approaching the southern boundary of the city. Do you want me to stay this way?
Bravo Sierra Victor, track via the Balti Bridge. Expect to commence the right turn at the Balti Bridge.
Track via Balti Bridge, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, from the Balti Bridge, make a right turn back to Albert Park Lake at 2,500.
Make a right turn back to the Balti Bridge, 2,500 commencing now, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Back to Albert Park Lake, confirm.
Back to Albert Park Lake.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Ground, survey 350, we're for Essendon, we're Tango 6, we have 4 PRB, received hotel, request taxi anyway.
Survey 350, Essendon ground, taxi holding point Tango, runway 17, cleared Essendon via planned route, Essendon 7 departure, climb via SID 3000.
Holding point Tango, runway 17, cleared Essendon planned route, Essendon 7 departure, climb via SID 3000, survey 350.
Tango Victor Quebec, Essendon Tower.
Tango Victor Quebec.
Tango Victor Quebec, Essendon, continue approach. Your overshoot instructions make the published missed approach, climb to 3000.
Take published missed approach, climb 3000. Tango Victor Quebec.
Tango Victor Quebec, expect an early missed approach due medical traffic landing on the crossing runway.
Tango Victor Quebec.
Essendon Tower, good ambulance 266 on an oblique left base, runway 17.
266 Essendon, continue approach. Your number 1, there is traffic out to the east. We'll be conducting a missed approach from the ILS remaining east of the airfield.
Continue approach, ambulance 266.
Bravo Sierra Victor, you've left the class Charlie airspace, control service terminated. If you want more city orbits, probably within the next 10 minutes or so, give that a bit of a miss, and then after that should be okay.
Bravo Sierra Victor, that was fine. Control service terminated, thank you.
Right.